My name's Ella, and welcome to the Imagination Station. You're never gonna believe where I went this weekend. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Moo! That's right. I went to a farm, not just any farm, a petting farm. I saw all kinds of animals at the farm. Horses, pigs, cows, llamas, and chickens.
So now we're gonna paint this super fun kit that we got from Target.
Sounds great, Dad. First thing we're gonna start painting off is gonna be the bone, the color red, my dad's favorite color.
Well, thank you, ma'am.
Whew, that was hard work on this side.
Looking good, girl.
One of my favorite things at the little petting farm was the little pigs. They were so cute with their little snouters.
Snoutses.
Now you guys see why my old table is so messy. I do lots of crafts. How do you guys think our farm is looking so far? Personally, at the farm, my favorite animal was the horses, because I'm a unicorn at the heart.
Duh.
Now we're gonna do the roof, brown, just like it was at the farm I went to.
Good thinking.
Alright friends, time to raise the roof.
Hey, leave the dad jokes to me.
What? Now we're gonna get started painting some animals. First I'm gonna paint the piggy.
Wait, you can't.
I don't have any pink. Oh no. Well, I guess I have to mix it.
How do you make pink?
With red and white makes pink.
Thanks, Ella. Okay, I see the red.
Careful around the eyes. Go a bit more.
Is it going pink?
Yeah.
Look at that. We probably should have mixed it together first, but it's looking pretty cute.
This is actually the best color for a pig. Because actually I think in real life and cartoons this would be the color. We didn't have the color pink, but we improvised and made it ourselves.
Check it out, our pink pig using the colors.
Red and white. Now I'm going to do a cow, and most of the cows at the farm was white and black.
All right, let's go. What color are you gonna start with?
White, because that's the base coat.
Ooh, good word, I like that.
It's kind of hard to see on camera, but the cow's white, and now I'm going to put some black spots on it.
Good job.
I have strength.
Moo.
Huh?
Ella.
Yeah, it's me. I guess the cow really likes it. Check it out, guys. Here's my cow at the farm.
Very nice.
Now we're gonna make an alpaca. Alpaca is kind of like saying llama. And most of them are brown, but I'm gonna make it purple.
We're gonna get silly with this one.
Yeah.
Ella style.
Paint. the masterpiece. Check it out. My dad went ahead and painted our chicken for us. Or maybe it's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
You're good at that.
Last but not least is my favorite farm animal, the beautiful horse. Alright guys, I'm going to get started with the mane and the tail of the horse, which will be yellow.
Good job staying on the lines.
I paint a lot. Now for the main part, we're getting into brown. This is a nice brown. I hope you had fun with me making my farmanimals. Hey friends, welcome to part 2 of this fun video. Dun 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 dun.
Friends, it looks like our mama chicken has
Laid eggs for us to paint. Let's count how many eggs we're gonna paint. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's place each color tab in an egg bowl. Let's pick pink in this one. Let's pick yellow in this one. Orange in this one. Red in this one. And blue in this one. Now it's the part where the granite helps us pour the vinegar in. Now that we have the vinegar in, it's time to stir it up.
Listen to that fizz.
Oh, it's really loud. Some of these look really good. Now, my dad will help me pour the rest of the way with the water. Thanks, Dad.
I got you, girl.
First, I have this fun crayon. I'm going to do something special, and then we're going to dip it into blue. Ooh, I can kind of see it just a little bit. Here we go.
Egg.
Alright, here we go. First egg. Whoa.
Time for egg number
2. Draw something and draw a really big heart. Let's put it in the orange. I wonder what this one would look like.
Bloop.
Egg number 3, drop it into yellow.
Bloop.
Ooh, I already see it.
Time for egg number
4.
into green it goes.
Ooh, that was my last egg, friends. We saved the best for last, pink. I wonder what a pink egg would look like. Let's see our beautiful painted eggs. Careful. That looks really good. This one had a lot of bubbles on it.
You can use your other hand too in case it gets a little shaky.
Yeah.
It's okay if you get a little messy.
Hey, don't you... The yellow just slipped out of my hand. Well, this one's, the water is dark, but it's really light. I like the colors. Pink. And it work a little bit. Woo!
Alright, let's take a look. Look at these pretty eggs. Good job, Ella.
Well, friends, that's all for this week. Friends, see you next time.
Bye, friends.
Bye.